despicable. Why ask why better yet why not? Why are you marking X in that spot?
Marco Pita! Marco Pita! Marco Pita! Marco Pita!
Why do you like seeing people in the shop? But my question to you is why go to the never stand in line? Just choose a freeze line, it's in the time. I'm having a bad day. It's about time that I get my way. Sleep on whatever I see. How despicable me. I'm having a bad day. You can take it
Hello, Universal!
watch. This is so fun to see. Despicable me.
Nice t-shirt. Did you get it in the park?
Why parallel when I think it's cool? Why does Vector
Go away, I'm not home.
Does his dad know I know his part? Why did I have to leave with my mom? Why do you think that I should be calm? Why won't the moon the world tonight? Is it crazy to think I'm having a bad day? It's about time that I